Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans I made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I seen fire and I seen rain, seen sunny days I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down on me, Jesus? Won't you help me make a stand? Lord, won't you see me through another day? My body's aching and my time is at hand. I can't make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I'm walking my mind to an easy time, back towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you one more time again. But I see you, fire and rain. There's just a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd